specify types of inventory control. So, inventory controls. So, under inventory controls, what is the work of the inventory controls? They ensure that the materials are available at the time they are needed and handled to maintain what? To maintain quality. That's the inventory control. So under specification of the inventory controls, we have feeding materials according to SOP. Can someone tell me what is the meaning of SOP?
Standard operating procedures.
Yeah, standard
Operating procedures.
That is the meaning of SOP. Yeah. So under this feeding materials according to SOP, we have a type of inventory control. You have one just in time. Inventory. So under this, we're going to look at the description and the implementation. So under just-in-time inventory, we can say under description, you can say that materials are ordered and received just in time for production to minimize what? To minimize inventory holding costs. So that is the description of the just-in-time inventory. Under implementation, how it is implemented. Strictly adhere to production schedule and supplier timelines. So we adhere to the supplier timelines. Maybe the supplier has said you should take the materials at this time, that date. So we strictly adhere to the production schedule and supplier timelines. Supplier's timeline. Sorry. So the second one, Kanban system. So under Kanban system, again we're going to look at the description and the implementation. So under Kanban, a visual replenishment system using cards or bins to signal when more materials are needed. This is under Kanban systems. I can say maybe use of cards on materials, maybe to put nasema kama kuweka kama notification kwamba hii material iko karibu kuisha, we need more. That is the description under Kanban system. Now the implementation, set up Kanban cards or bins for each materials. So kwa kila material yenye uko nayo una set up the Kanban cards or bins. So that one, first in, first out inventory. So under first in, first out inventory, you can say materials are used in order. Are used in the order they are received to ensure freshness and minimize spoilage. When they are ordered, to ensure freshness and to minimize spoilage. You can say, for example, perishable materials, perishable goods. We have flowers. The flowers are perishable.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's under first in, first out inventory under description. Now the implementation. Clearly labeled materials with receipts, dates, and always use always stock first as per the SOP. So under implementation here, you make sure una attach dates. Your maybe is expire. That's under the implementation of the first in, first out inventory. Now we look at so this was the feeding materials according to SOP. Now we look at the second one, which is the last one. Material handling according to SOP. Material according material handling according to SOP. Start with the first one. Automated storage and retrieval system. And retrieval. Retrieval system. Now here again we are going to look at the description of the implementation. So this automated storage, we're going to say and automated storage. The automated system are used for storing and the retrieval and retrieving materials to improve efficiency and accuracy. That's under description. Now we look at the implementation. Program the this one has an abbreviation. It's AS and RS. That's the abbreviation. So under implementation, program the AS/RS according to SOP to ensure proper handling and placement of materials. So we look at the second one. Barcode stroke. RFID. Anyone who knows the meaning of RFID? So this is radio frequency identification tracking. So under the description under barcodes, I think nyote mwana barcodes. Hiyo ukiangalia hata kwa nguo kuna kama na kitu kama kikanaweko hivi. See, I think tumeziona kwa maybe kwa malls. Yeah. So those are barcodes. So under description, use barcodes, scanners to track materials in real time. That's the use of barcode or RFID tracking. RFID is the radio frequency identification. Yeah. So this one are essential in the material handling because they help to track the materials. So under implementation, under barcodes and RFID, attach barcodes stroke RFID tags to all materials. Follow SOPs for scanning materials at each stage of handling. Now that's the first one. Material handling equipment. So under material handling equipment description, use equipment such as forklifts, conveyors to move materials safely and efficiently. That's under material handling. That's material handling equipment is the description. Now the implementation. Train employees on the proper use of handling equipment. So to there, we have finished our class. Any question?